Welcome all. In this video I am going to explain how to reset or change username and password of XAMPP server. First open and start the server. Then go to browser and type localhost. Here go to phpMyAdmin. Then click on user accounts. Here you can see username root, just click on it. Here go to login information. In this username field you can give whatever name you want. Now click on Go button. Now you can see that username has been changed successfully. Now go to Change Password tab and type the password you want. Now click on Go button. Now the password has been changed successfully. Now here you can see new login credentials have been created. This is how you change the username and password.